Another thing we have to do is renewing the brake fluid. And to renew the brake fluid we have to cycle the ABS module. I'm going to show you how. Come over here. First thing we're going to do is cover as much as we can, because brake fluid is very aggressive. Let's do that first. Needs to be exact horizontal. Let's have a look. Just a minute. It leans a tiny bit backwards. So first we're gonna loosen this and put it in another position. So, now, so, okay. First, this is Torx 30. Okay, stuck. Okay. The lip is Torx 20. So, what we're gonna do first is get some brake fluid out. This is my special tool. Gonna attach this to the breather bolt thing on the caliper and then pump some fluid out. So now we've already got some fluid out. Now can't be too careful with brake fluid. Oh, oops. So now okay, then a lot of moisture in there, not good. And then we have the membrane. Okay, that over there. Really have to be careful. It sprays out. So this one, I'm gonna suck as much brake fluid out at the reservoir as I can. Otherwise you're gonna mix old fluid with new fluid. A lot of fluid, eh? Pop. So, a little bit more. So. Okay. Then give it a clean. But be careful not to squeeze the handle. You suck in air. We don't want to have air in our brake system. Okay? I'm gonna use, you know me, Castrol motorcycle brake fluid. Increase braking performance. Yeah, right. What I always do is put it in a small container like this with a small spout, so you don't have to wiggle around with a lot of brake fluid. Carefully fill it up, fill it up. Oh my darling, fill it up. Okay, up over there. Then first I'm gonna clean this one. Place this one over here, otherwise it shoots out. And then we carefully start to pump the fluid while watching the reservoir. So, carefully. That's nice. Ja, het is er al een beetje. Just a bit. Hey, waar is mijn point? Clear brake fluid is already coming out. So, now we go to the other side. First, all the way fill it up again. It was almost empty. Okay. The lid on. Hop. Then let's go to the other side of the moon. So, we're on the left side. Here we got my container. First, the rubber cap off. Then we can hang it over here so it doesn't fall. Okay, always give it a quick snap. Ow. Up. So it's open. These bubbles are because it's coming aside the hose, so don't worry. Get it up. So. Up. Now. So. Now we're gonna attach the computer and we're gonna cycle the ABS module to get the old brake fluid out. Now we're gonna do the ABS brake fluid thing, bleeder thing with the computer. During the time that the ABS pump is cycling, we have to squeeze the brake handle 3 times during 2 seconds. You have to do it quick. Now we're going to bleed the system as normal. Okay. So, then, now we have to do it again. Second time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we have to put the ignition off, put the ignition on, and the service function completed perfectly. Let's see, feels good. Handle feels top. Well done, old mechanic. Hoppakee deze. What I always do, watch first. If you look carefully, you see that there is still brake fluid inside. So what I always do, I'm going to show you. Piece of paper, roll it like this, and then carefully slide it in. Let it hang for a while, and all the brake fluid is coming out. So in the future you don't have a problem with rust problems or whatever. Job done. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, please subscribe. I really would appreciate that. And for now, old mechanic out.